Dan kita masih bergabung bersama dengan Andi Yung selaku founder dan CEO Fuse, dan juga bersama dengan Bapak Teguh Aria Djana selaku CEO PT Asuransi Simas InsurTech. So we'll continue our discussion. So the first question in this segment is that could you elaborate on the strategies employed to ensure both viability and affordability in offerings of the products? So the first question maybe for Pak Teguh.
Yeah. The product of digital insurance actually should be, yes, affordable, so to speak, because it should be reached of majority of the customers. Yeah, by doing so, then we will have a spreading of risk. Anything that risk can be spreaded, that can be insured. Okay. I can say, yeah. As long as it's not harmful or against the law, for sure. Yeah.
Of course, yeah. That's number one.
Yes, for sure. So that we create a product that make it simple, yeah, and make it affordable. But how it going to happen? Yeah. The key is we need to deal with a sizable amount of business transaction or volume, which either can be repetitive or either the customer base actually adequate enough. That's why we need to be in the ecosystem. Okay. You cannot deal one by one, but we need to deal with the volume of business that sufficient enough to make this keep continue, and I can say contingent. Yeah.
Okay. So you talk first about gadgets and about travel insurance. Yes. So how about the bigger? I mean, like a bigger purchase, like a house, property insurance.
Yeah, we work like with Fuse. Now, Fuse also function as a insurance aggregator. So there are a lot of products that customer can choose and make simulation. Yeah. So the key is the business process itself. Yeah. If you want to buy a home insurance product, so you can make some comparison and simulation. I want the earthquake coverage. I want the flood coverage. Okay. I want this fire coverage, including this and that. This can be adjusted and customized. So by technology, we not have a rigid product.
Okay.
But this one actually will be a little bit challenging for the go through the what we call the digital channel. Because I think sometimes we see this kind of traditional product, we still primarily rely on the agents or brokers, what we call partners, which on the ground you go step by step explanation, this kind of thing, go through the process. But the beauty is you go through the process. We already have pre-agreement with the insurance company. You meet the criteria A, B, C. The policy can be auto-generated. But coming back, I think for the micro insurance we talk about right now is. He mentioned, keeps saying that the key is the volume. Yeah, I think why volume is important for micro insurance, because I think, as we shared before, affordability is something we see on the ground. It's one of the pain points. That's why I think we both sides work very hard. They create a micro product, and then how can we help distribute? Then the volume, when it comes to the volume, something very, very important is have to be what we call no manual process and really minimal human intervention. Because I think if you involve this, your cost will increase dramatically. That's why we try to make all the process end-to-end highly automated, including the application, the approval process, even the disbursement of the e-policy. We want to try to make the things highly automated in the sense that just that at the end of the day, you have minimal people to involve effort, and then to make it viable and scalable. Yeah.
Okay, you said about high technology that you use for the product itself. So is it quite a big investment on this technology?
Yeah, time to time we have keep up with the technology. Yeah, either on the security side, on the business process side, in the front end side, like customer engagement and digital marketing. Yes, we do quite big, significant investment for that. But the thing is, we believe that what we invest will be rewarding and will be back to the customer, become more convenience and more affordable to buy insurance.
And industry is growing. So
yes, exactly.
It's an insurance stuff.
Yes. Even our investment in the industry maybe is still less than what happened in the bank sector. So still many room to explore. New technologies keep coming up.
New products is coming up also.
That's why.
Okay. So talking about the technology, we used to talk about data protection itself, because it's one of the hot topics right now. It's what people concern right now. So how do you make sure that the data protection is safe?
Yeah, and our company also have a very kind of strict regulation how to protect our customer data, and also the bigger one is the transaction data. Yeah, so we comply with what we call ISO 27001 for system information for security data protection for the customer. So I believe we also conduct regularly the kind of stress test or penetration test to ensure that our system work correctly and always alert and aware about any intruder or any wrongdoing that may be tamper our data.
From Fuse, how do you
I think similarly, I think our platform actually also certified by ISO 27001 and also 9007. Meaning that we achieve certain kind of international standard, and also that's also a reason why we can also support actually some financial institute on the ground, like multi-finance, like bank nowadays. And I think apart from that, you can hear that actually we got quite a bit of data, customer data transmission between, for example, insurance company and us, and channel and us. That's why I think we always try to make it what we call encryption. Make sure I think during the transmission of data, anyone tap into, you still cannot read the customer data. And also I think on top of that, we have a lot of protective measures, including I think firewall. You'll be very technical if you elaborate more, but I think firewall and then access control to keep the data really kind of in a protected way. Not easy to get anyone to get into. Yeah.
Okay, so the last question for both of you. So what is your objectives in the future? You say that this is a growing industry, so it's going to be huge in the future, especially as we see the literation numbers is very low right now, so it's going to be increase in the future. So how do you see the objective from Simas and from Fuse?
I think from Fuse is back to our square one day one when we start Fuse. We have we see our mission. One of the mission is we really want to see more people aware and then get the insurance protection. That's where we come from. And then also I think we also think one day it would be good if anyone or anything they love, they can be insured. That's also why we make a motto called Insure Your Love. Yeah, that's why I think at the end of the day we really see that whatever we're doing, improve efficiency. Partner with digital insurers, come back to this, I think, fundamental mission we have. Yeah.
Yes. It's the same as like Fuse. Also, our vision is we want to become a prominent digital insurance provider, not only in Indonesia, but in the region.
In Southeast Asia.
Yes, because you know that Fuse also expand its business now, not only in Indonesia. So I think we have the right partner to work with.
So it's a bigger market.
Yes.
It's a bigger market.
Yeah, quite ironically actually that many multinational companies already operate here, but I think it's time our portion to be in the region also.
Yeah, because of South Asia, the whole populations I talk about 6 billion. Yeah, it's a very sizable 600 million, which is a sizable market size as well.
So you already operate in what country?
We already operate in Indonesia, of course, and then we expand to Thailand, Vietnam already, and then we are still expanding.
And how is the enthusiasm?
I think it's very similar to what we have experienced in Indonesia back to early days. People start picking up, and also I think what we learn actually experience in Indonesia, we see also start replicating in some other countries.
Okay, I can feel your optimism. So good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for
us.
joining us on CNBC Indonesia, Pak Teguh and Andi. So good luck for you, and good luck for Simas and Fuse also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.